Welcome back, everyone. Today is March 19th. It's Thursday, and as promised, here's the solution to yesterday's question. So the question was, you bought a magazine for $5 and 4 erasers. You spent a total of $25. How much did each eraser cost? Well, this is asking you a few things. We look first at what we know. We know that we bought a magazine for $5. So how many magazines did we buy? Correct, we bought one. And we know that that one magazine cost $5. We also know that we bought 4 erasers, but we don't know how much those erasers cost. We know that we spent a total of $25. So the question is asking us, how much did each eraser cost? And here is our solution. So I decided to use E as my variable for erasers. So I know that I have 4 erasers plus that $5 that I spent on my magazine, and that my total will be $25. So remember, we're using SADMAP in reverse, which is PEMDAS in reverse. I first look for any constants, any numbers that do not have anything around them. So that is this guy right here, my $5. It doesn't have anything associated with it. There's no variables. So I take that, I subtract that from both sides, and that gives me, these two cancel out, and that leaves me with 4e equals 20. So I added and subtracted what I could. Now I'm going to multiply and divide, because remember, I'm trying to get e here by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1, so those cancel out. 20 divided by 4 leaves me with 5. So in the end, when asked how much each eraser cost $5. And I'm going to put it, bear with me, I'm trying to do this with a trackpad and finger. Yeah, not too bad. So each eraser costs $5. So this is the question for yesterday. Today's question: Maria bought 7 boxes. A week later, half of all her boxes were destroyed in a fire. There are now only 22 boxes left. With how many did she start? Now remember, we look first for all of the numbers. And let's see, I'm going to pull up my pointer again here. I have, numbers-wise, I've got 7. It's 7 boxes, 22, and half. So what I know is that she bought 7 boxes, and then a week and a half later, all of her boxes were destroyed. So she had boxes before this. Now there's only 22 boxes left. So my question, with how many did she start? So I know that when it's all said and done, the equation that I write is going to equal 22. I'm going to use 7. I'm going to use half. And then it's going to equal 22. Put your response in the checkbox below. I will check it, and then tomorrow we'll come back with the solution. So enjoy, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon.